Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to use Spotify. So once you've logged in, now I'm not going to use this because I have my own Spotify account with my music as well as premium. So I'm just going to turn on my Spotify here. And as you can see in my Spotify, I've got episodes, my songs, my normal library, my home, and almost everything I listen to, episodes, my podcasts that I watch, almost all of them are here. Now Spotify are gonna give you some filters like this, which is pop, fresh finds, and then you can also find the top mixes, your top mixes and all that. So in order to play music, all you want to do is press on something and then just press on play. Now obviously I can't play the music, that would encourage a copyright, so I'm not gonna play it. Now if you like a music, all you want to do is press on this heart. If you don't like a music or want to remove it from your like songs, just press on that heart again, it will remove it. And if you want to put this music in a playlist, all you want to do is press on these three dots, and then from there you want to do add to playlist, and then just add it to whichever playlist you want, or you can just create a new one. And that's about it. There's nothing else to it. There is more options that you can do. For example, your playback, your shuffle, help. You can do a lot more. I'm gonna make more videos because those are a bit more in-depth. And yeah, that's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.